Hello. Welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda and I like to say stuff. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I would sincerely appreciate it. Today, ladies and germs, we are getting into my Ipsy Glam bag plus for October in my spiderweb tie-dye. It's cool. It's scary and spooky. It's spooky. Anyway, I'm having a great day. I hope your day is good as well. And I do have the prices for the things in here because you do get the revelation of, you get your things revealed. Revelations, that's a different thing. You get your items revealed when you make your choices on the 2nd of the month. Woo, this is tough today. And I have a spooky bag with lips. Woo, spooky. And I have one product outside of the bag. And we'll start with this. This is a Gold Faden Mist Fix, which is cool. And let me put the glasses on. And it says that it is Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. And it says quench a dull and dehydrated complexion with Dr. Goldfaden's ultrafine mist that infuses an extra boost of minerals. So, and you just spray this on your face. This is sealed in plastic, so I'm going to keep it that way for right now. What will I do with it later? We don't know. Next up, we have from Illamasqua, the Beyond Liquid Highlighter. And I'm totally into liquid highlighters. I used to be like, ew, a liquid highlighter, that's no fun. But since I started putting liquid highlighters underneath my foundation, you get that nice glow. It's subtle. I'm into subtlety right now instead of the alien slut highlighter vibe. And this looks like a nice size. Let's test this bad boy out. Ooh, that's pretty. That is pretty. That is going over here with my highlighters. Let me shear it out. That is blinding. And a little bit goes along. It covers like my whole hand plus more. Let's wipe that off. Well, it's not going to come all the way off, but it leaves behind a beautiful shine. I've got makeup removers here. We'll get to that later. Then next up, it is from Gold Faden. It says light treatment. I should have left my glasses on. And it says dark spot corrector. Oh, this is an add-on. I bought this for like $19 because I have dark spots and I want to start treating them. And Dr. Gold Faden is some really good stuff. And it says this intense multi-correctional pigment control treatment helps us to reduce unwanted dark spots and maintains natural hydration for radiant skin. Helps reduce dark spots and skin discoloration. And improves skin texture and tone, which is fantastic. I totally need that. So I didn't tell you how much the Gold Faden spray was. It is $48. And then the highlighter is $31. And then this is, you know, this is an add-on, so we don't have that into my bag value. Then I have from Rowan, it says Cake in Black Noir, and this is a beauty mascara. I'm just going to take it out to see what the packaging looks like. I have about 150 million mascaras right now. But it's beautiful packaging. I'm not going to open it because once you open it and expose it, it starts to crack on how long that it's going to be good for. And this is $28. That's a lot for a mascara. Then I have from Douce or Ducci, the Posh Powder Palette. And it's got blush and highlighters in it. Hopefully I can open it up. I don't have fingernails anymore. I may have fingernails, but I don't have like fancy fingernails. Well, they're fancy. They've got little skulls on them. But I'm letting my nails grow out. That's the deal. Oh, that's really pretty. And it's blushes and highlighters. I'm not going to swatch it because I have plenty of blushes and highlighters right now. But this will make a great part of a giveaway. And that is $55. And then last but not least, I saved the best for last as far as my opinion goes. And it is from Viseart. Viseart is fantastic. And this is the Professional Makeup Paris Petite Pro Un. So like un like one in French counting. And these palettes are adorable and great for travel. Oh, this mirror plastic was attached to the palette plastic. It's beautiful. And this will make a great everyday look. And I'm very excited about it. I'm just going to keep it safe for right now. So this is great. And this is a $30 palette. So that brings the value of my box or my bag. Is it $28 now? It was $25. I think it's $28 now. That brings the value of my bag to $192, which is fantastic. And that is great for $29 or $28 or $25. However much this freaking bag is, I don't know anymore. They've changed things. But I'm happy with it. So I've got the palette. I've got the face palette. I've got the mascara. I've got the highlighter. I've got the face spray. And it's very nice. And I'm happy with it. Some of the stuff is going to be great for a giveaway, but the highlighter and the blush really make it for me. I mean, the highlighter and the eyeshadow really make it for me. So have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you next time.